Hello, I am Lal and I am here to discuss about how animal behavior made them adapt to their environments. Animal behavior is the study of how animals interact with each other and their environment. Behavior can be studied in a variety of ways, from observing individual animals in their natural environment to conducting laboratory experiments. Studying animal behaviors allow us to learn more about species other than our own. It can help us to understand the effects of genetics and the environment on an animal's development and determine why certain behaviors occur while others do not have. Animals have evolved many different types of behaviors that allow them to survive and thrive in their own environments. Behaviors are a result of a combination of genetic and environmental influences. This means that although some aspects of our behaviors are predetermined by our genes, other factors such as our experiences can have a significant impact on our behavior as well. We know that there are inheritable traits that are passed down through the generations that influence behavior. For example, research shows that dogs that belong to a particular breed tend to be similar in their behavior. However, there are also learned behaviors that are influenced by our environment and can be passed on from one generation to the next. For example, studies have shown that baby monkeys that observe their parents grooming each other tend to start doing this themselves when they are older. Furthermore, research has shown that rats learn to behave in a more or less aggressive manner depending on their past experiences. Environmental factors play an important role in the development of behaviors. Research has shown that newborn chicks are more likely to seek food if they are fed in the same physical location as their mother, rather than being fed in a different location. Similarly, studies have shown that newborn calves prefer to follow their mothers to locations that they've been recently to, suggesting that previous experiences can affect their development. This suggests that the environment can have a profound impact on the development of a behavior and can have an important influence on which behavior we display as humans. Animal behavioral adaptation is a well-known and often used argument in animal rights debates. Animals tend to be in a harsher and more hostile environments, so if they see us, humans, as a threat, they don't hesitate to attack us. Common examples of these are stray dogs and cats. Behavioral adaptations help us to survive and thrive in an environment. They allow us to develop an understanding of the world in which we live and to interact with it in ways that maximizes our chances of survival. They also help us to maintain our own health and well-being. Our behavioral responses to stress play an important role in helping us to adapt to our environment and to cope with difficulties that we encounter. Some scientists even refer to behavioral adaptations as our sixth sense because they provide us with information about what is happening around us and help us to respond to it appropriately.